if I go with the second person, so he have 3, isn't it? So which is arranged in 3. The first one which he is having in a form of 9, the other one as 10, and if you count the last one which is as 11. Now I have to find the total. Now you are going to use quickly to add all these 3 numbers and see which you complete the first one to find the total, which is easier to find it. Which one do you find easier to add? We can add all to one, but which makes you fast and which make you easy to add? Yes. Which one? Yeah, the first one, that is Shyam, isn't it? So it is a skip count of 10. So 10, 20, then 30. So the total is 30. Now here what I have to do? I have to add 9 plus 10, 19. 19 plus 11, what will you do? You will add like this, isn't it? But here what did you do? Here you use the skip counter method. Yes or no? What is the answer here then? So 10, okay, 9 plus 1, 10, and here 3. So 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Yes or no? So here also you got the total as 30. But observe it, whose pile of books could you count easily? Shyam or Mohan? Give me the reason why. The first person is the Shyam, isn't it? So I found the easiest and fast. Give me the reason. Because he have arranged the books of 10. 10. The other one also in a 10. 10. But here the second person who have arranged in randomly like 9, 10 and 11. So you have to observe and answer to me. Yeah, here he have grouped into 3 and in each group we have 10 books. And he too have 3 groups, but he have different objects, that is different number of books in each group, but the total is same. So which is the easier? When I have the objects which are similar in all the groups. So that's why the before activity, which is I ask you to make a creature, imaginary creature. You can have so many hands. So that refers to the group. But in each group, in each creature, you have to make only the same finger in all the hands. Then only you can add it easily with the help of quick tips method or by the skip counting method. Here both the totals are same, isn't it? Yeah. So because why is the reason is he have arranged in all the group as the same objects. So he can add it quickly and he have arranged in a different way. So little bit it takes a time. When compared to the first person, it little bit take a time. Isn't it? So that is what the answer. See the next one. Yeah, we used to have a ringa ringa roses like a game, isn't it? Yes? So it's like that. So the boys are standing in group of 5. We can find the total number of boys by skip counting in 5s on the number track. So here they have used the number track. So in each group, how many students are there? 5 students are there. Can you see here? 5, 5, 5. So how much? So 5, skip counting. The next one is again 5. Then again 5 and I have find the total. How many groups were there? 3 groups are there. How many groups are there? 3 groups are there. And in each group 5 persons are there. The total is 15. So repeatedly I am adding 5 3 times. Isn't it? Now see the other example. 9.5 activity. A few marbles are placed in the cups as shown. Skip count to find the total number of marbles. Now, how many bowls are there? Tell me how many bowls are there? 5 bowls are there. So, that is considered as group. So, how many bowls are there? 5 bowls are there. So, 5 bowls. And in each bowl, I have 2 marbles. And in each bowl, I have 2 marbles. Now, tell me which is the group and which is each group. So, this is the number of group, isn't it? So, this will be a number of group. And in each group, what is that? In each group. So, is there an equal number of marbles in all cups? Yes, we have 2 in each. So, what is the answer? We can keep count of 2. So, here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So, what method did I use? Skip counting method. How can I use the skip counting method? When we have a similar object in all the bowls. Yes? Now, here you have to write. There are dash marbles in each cup. How many marbles are there in each cup? 2 marbles. There are 5 groups of 2 marbles each. We need to skip count in 2's. Is it right? Yes? Now see the other example. Trace along the dots to skip count. So 5 group of 2. 5 group. Can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups. So here I have used the skip counting of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Is it right? Yes? Now see the second one. How many groups are there? 3 groups are there, and in each group we have 3 marbles. All are similar. Is there an equal number of marbles in all cups? Yes. All are similar. There are 3 marbles in each cup. Yes. So here you have 3, and here it is as 6, and when you count it as here you get as a 9. So here 3 group, and in each group 3 objects are there. There are 3 groups of 3 marbles in each. We need to skip counting 3's. We need to skip counting 3's. Now trace along the dots to skip count. You can use a number kit here. So they have 3, 3, 3. So 3 here. What is the total answer we have got? We have got the answer as 9. So I am repeatedly adding 3 times. So what you have understood? When we are putting together, what term I am using here? Putting together. So it is the term of keyword of addition, isn't it? Putting together, and the other term, an equal group. What is that? An equal group of objects. So the group may be different, but in each group, the object should be equal. What is that? Groups may vary, but in each group, the object should be the same. The best example is our hand and our leg. So count the finger and toes in our hand and finger, in the leg. You have each 5. So 5, 5. And in leg also you have 5, 5. So I can skip count with the help of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. I have 4. 2 hands and 2 legs. So totally 4. And in each I have 5 fingers. Can you understand? So putting together an equal group of objects is known as multiplication. So putting together, which refers to the keyword of addition, isn't it? So here I am using repeated addition. So repeated addition, which is also known as multiplication. Am I right? So putting together. So that is what I told you already. For example, see the first one. See the sum. 3 group and 3. So I'm adding 3 times. So 3 groups, here 1, 2, 3. And I'm repeatedly adding the 3 and I'm getting the total as 9. These are all the keywords of addition. Here, now we are going to learn the terms of subtraction with the help of additions. Okay? What you are going to learn? You are going to learn the terms of multiplication. So till now, we were learning as putting together each group, number of group in each group objects. So these are the things we were learning. So number of groups in each group, how many objects are there? The other one is the total. See here, 5 groups of 3 is equal to 15. What is that? 5 groups of 3 equal to 15. So here number of group is 5. In each group I have 3 objects and the total is 15. And here I am going to introduce the new terms of multiplication. The first one, which is known as multiplicand. Repeat after me, multiplicand. Multiplicand. The number of group, what is that? The number of groups which is known as multiplicand. Can you see here 5 groups? This 5 groups which is known as multiplicand. In each group objects, 3 is there, that is known as multiplier. We are using of, isn't it? This 3 is known as, in each group, how many objects are there? That is known as multiplier. Repeat after me, multiplier. And the total, which is known as product. Product. So in addition, we use the total. And in the multiplication, which is known as the product. What are the 3 terms you have? Multiplicand, multiplier and the product. So these are the 3 terms. With the help of these 3 terms, we are going to write the multiplication fact. So already you have learned, when you interchange the number, so in addition, you will get the same answer. So likewise, here we are going to learn how we are going to create the multiplication fact. So with the help of the terms of multiplicand, multiplier and the product. So now see the first pick. How many groups are there? 3. So what is the multiplicand? 3 is the multiplicand. And in each group, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the multiplier. Group is the multiplicand 3 and multiplier is the 7. So 3 groups of 7. When you add 21, what is the 21? Product is the 21. So here, this can be written using symbols. For addition, you use the symbol as plus, for subtraction, minus, isn't it? So likewise, for the multiplication also, we use a symbol. Can you see here what is the symbol? We use the symbol, the cross symbol, which looks like an X, alphabet X, and equal to. So you are all familiar with the equal to symbol, isn't it? In a multiplication fact. So what is that? So what is the first one? Number of group, that is known as multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. What is that? Multiplicand into multiplier, which is equal to product. So this is the multiplication fact, how we are going to find with the help of multiplicand, that which refers to the group numbers, number of groups. The second one is the symbol read as multiplied by. So 3 which is multiplied by 7 which is equal to 21. So multiplicand into multiplier is equal to product. So here you have the home fun activity. With the pictorial form, you have to form a group. So represent the following the pictorial form. So only 7 sums I have given you. So you have to complete it. So I have completed today's session. Meet you in the next session.